In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. So first of all, open the TikTok application. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. So if you would like to remove the you may like suggestions, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. What you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. Under the section for content and display, you'll be able to find this option for notifications. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the notification settings. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this section for personalized post suggestions. You'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is toggle off this button for post you might like. Now after you do that, the post you might like will not be suggested by the TikTok. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.